Any words of advice for Hope?
Hang on, don't puke.
And if you can throw up, aim towards the door.
Aim towards the door and let me know.
Budget EG finally back on the track.
Oh, it's been too many years.
It has been quite a while. What do you think?
That was good. Car's predictable as always. The brakes were questionable as always. And the tires were a little old though, so it pushed a little too much for me.
Brakes were questionable. Too much pedal travel.
Yeah, it stops every time, but when you're that close to the floor to get the car to stop, it doesn't leave you with much room for comfort if you have to pump the brakes because of issues.
Okay, well, we'll work on that. Got a few things to work on, actually.
I scared her once. We overshot braking zone pretty good.
That's not good. I was not happy.
Well, this was your first time out there. What'd you think?
Everyone said it was gonna be super scary, but it was actually fine. Like, I'm an adrenaline junkie, so it was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Honestly, out of the 3 people I took for a ride that day, there 2 haven't been on track before, she was the quietest and the most comfortable in the car.
Oh, is this something you'd like to try?
Yeah, definitely. I think it'd be a lot of fun.
Cool. Well, I think the first thing we need to do is probably teach you how to drive a stick.
Yeah,
'Cause I don't have
step one.
Yeah, I don't have any autos, so stick's gonna have to be what it is.
Okay, bye-bye.
I was a little concerned about watching other people motor away from you.
The car's definitely down in power for riding in Pro Auto. I'm so used to NASA where it's like Miatas and Civics and some RX-8s and stuff. Everybody's low horsepower, so it makes it, makes a big difference when you're fast in the corners. And Pro Auto, seems like wealthier people with more horsepower than cornering ability. There aren't good drivers out there also, but in the street car groups, everybody seems like 400 or 500 horsepower. So it's just carrying extra corner speed doesn't seem to make a big enough difference.
Right.
Because your top end speed and your mile an hour into the straights is so vastly slower than theirs that just the corners aren't making up for it. There's 3 straights that are long enough. If you have the power, it makes a big difference. They can put 4 or 5 car lengths on you pretty easy.
Right.
Which is what I was noticing.
So what do you think? Another 50, 75 horsepower would make it worthwhile?
You could see 210, 215.
215 would probably make it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, what nice around 220 that you see most people end up with?
We tried doing all those modifications on the car where we changed the intake manifold, the throttle body, the 50-degree VTC, and it made squat difference. I mean, we lost torque, we lost horsepower. Well, we gained a horsepower, which isn't enough. We need lots of horsepower. I think we're going to do a TSX head-on. In fact, I know we are. We're going to do a TSX head-on, and that should give me anywhere between 40 and 60 horsepower with tuning.
Would put us at 205, 225.
Yeah, and I think that'd be a lot better.
Yeah, that would make a big difference.
All right.
It felt like the supercharged Camaro owners group.
We know what we need to do. Brakes,
Yep.
better stopping, engine, better going.
Yep.
So we're gonna make some improvements on this and take it to another event, see how it does. In fact, there's an event coming up later this month in California. Or is it next month? It's in June. Next month in California. Kind of a cool invite-only thing. So we're going to go there, try that out, see how it works out. In the meantime, we're going to work on your EK and get that ready as well.
Yep.
So we've got a cool EK project that we have a Grand Am motor, a Honda Grand Am motor. So that should be a lot of fun. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.